Hi, my name is Dr. Clifton, and I'm going to be talking a little bit about acupuncture and how it works. My assistant's just going to ask me a few questions.
Dr. Clifton, what is dog acupuncture?
So, dog acupuncture is where we put needles into certain acupoints, and those run on meridians, which is kind of how energy moves throughout the body. So, in TCVM, we think about a clock, and so energy moves through the clock at certain times of the day. So as I was saying, energy moves through the body like a clock. So it's going to be happening all day, every day. But so the little acupuncture points are located on those meridians, and we can use them to help your pet over with specific things. And there's a lot that we can do with acupuncture. It's really great.
Is there more than one type of dog acupuncture?
So there's actually a lot of different modalities that we can do with acupuncture. The most common is going to be dry needling. So that's when we put the actual needles into your pet. But we can also do things like aqua acupuncture, which is where we inject something like saline or B12 into a point to get longer stimulation. We can also do things like moxibustion, which is basically heat over the different acupoints. We can also do acupressure. And then we also have something called electroacupuncture, which is a really great option where we can actually put electrical stimulation through the meridians and connect different points together.
So, how does use of acupuncture impact the health and well-being of your dog?
So the whole idea of Chinese medicine is that we're trying to bring the body back into balance. So acupuncture can be really good as a maintenance tool just to keep everything with a flow. It can also be used when our body gets out of balance to try to help bring it back. So it's really good for different conditions like arthritis and all of that.
How old does your dog need to be to receive acupuncture?
So dogs of any age can get acupuncture. We don't really have many contraindications for it. We mostly just don't use it if the dog's pregnant. If they don't like it, we can work with them to try to get them to accept it more. So with little sessions, and then also just having happy sessions with acupressure and stuff like that. But there's no age limit.
What are some conditions that would benefit your dog by receiving acupuncture treatments?
So our most common condition for acupuncture is definitely going to be osteoarthritis or arthritis pain. That's definitely going to be the most common thing that we do, but acupuncture is such a wide range of things that we can treat, like diarrhea and asthma, IBD, just general musculoskeletal pain that's not from arthritis. We can use it for post-surgical pain management. There's just so much that you can do. Anything that you can think of, really, you can try to do acupuncture for.
Would acupuncture complement my dog's current treatments?
A lot of the times it will. So we tend to think of acupuncture as an adjunct treatment. So it's not necessarily meant to replace the Western medicine, so like the pain meds or antibiotics or anything like that. We're just more trying to complement the treatment plan that they're already on to try to provide a different modality to treat everything multimodally so that we can use less medications or maybe even stop their pain meds if they're doing really well with just acupuncture. But we always want to be complementing their Western treatment plan with our traditional Chinese treatment plan as well.
How can dog acupuncture be integrated with Western medicine?
So we can integrate it by using the different modalities on next to their traditional medication. So say your dog has something like intervertebral disc disease, we would still do the NSAIDs, the cage rest, the all of that. But then we could also have weekly to bi-weekly sessions while they're having a flare-up, just so that we can try to support them the best way we can. So we're just going to kind of use it in conjunction with their Western medicine treatments.
How will a veterinarian determine if acupuncture is right for my dog?
So if you want to do acupuncture, we'll have a consultation first. We can sit down, discuss kind of what's going on. We'll discuss your goals, what you want to get out of it. And we can determine if that would be a good modality or if you maybe need to think about a different modality or just Western medicine.